Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0035 indicates an issue with the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve circuit, specifically signaling high voltage levels. This is a crucial component for the vehicle's turbocharger system, impacting engine performance and efficiency. When the powertrain control module (PCM), the car's computer system, detects an open return signal from the solenoid valve while sending a close command, it considers this a malfunction. By diagnosing this issue, mechanics can restore proper turbocharger function and ensure the vehicle operates optimally. Understanding this DTC aids in pinpointing whether the problem lies within the solenoid valve itself, its wiring, or the PCM components. It is essential for maintaining engine performance in modern vehicles. The turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve is a vital component located near the turbocharger assembly in the engine compartment. Its primary function is to regulate the turbocharger's performance by allowing the engine management system to control the flow of exhaust gases. The powertrain control module, PCM, is the brain of the vehicle, monitoring various inputs and sending outputs to different components. It is usually located in the engine bay or under the dashboard, depending on the specific vehicle design. The integrity of signals between the PCM and the solenoid is crucial, as incorrect signals can lead to performance issues, decreased fuel efficiency, and potentially harmful engine conditions. The error involves a scenario where the PCM issues a close command, but the solenoid returns an open signal, triggering the DTC P0035. This indicates a malfunction that requires systematic troubleshooting to identify the root cause. Several potential causes can lead to the triggering of DTC P0035. An open wire in the circuit is the first consideration, where an incomplete electrical connection may prevent the solenoid valve from receiving the proper command from the PCM. This could be due to physical damage, corrosion, or disconnection at any point along the circuit. A faulty PCM can also be a suspect. If the module itself is malfunctioning, it may not send the correct signals to the solenoid. Wiring issues, such as shorts or breaks within the harness, could disrupt communication between the PCM and the solenoid. Each of these issues must be carefully inspected to rule them out, ensuring a comprehensive diagnostic approach. Drivers may notice several symptoms linked to DTC P0035. Engine performance issues are common. The vehicle may hesitate or struggle during acceleration. Reduced fuel efficiency can also occur, as the turbocharger's improper operation often leads to wasted energy and increased fuel consumption. Additionally, the check engine light will appear on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a fault in the vehicle's engine management system. Other indicators might include abnormal engine noises or rough idling, which occur due to inefficient turbocharger operation. These symptoms highlight the importance of timely inspection and resolution of DTC P0035 to prevent further complications. Start by turning the vehicle ignition to the on position, ensuring all electrical systems are active. This is an essential preliminary step that prepares the vehicle for diagnostic testing. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to conduct the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve test. This test evaluates the functionality of the solenoid valve under controlled conditions. While monitoring, check the OBD, onboard diagnostics, status specifically for the DTC P0035. If the DTC reappears after the test, it indicates an ongoing issue that requires further inspection of the solenoid valve and its associated circuitry. The next step involves checking the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve connector. This involves disconnecting the connector to inspect for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connection. It's also pivotal to inspect the PCM connector, ensuring that it's securely connected and free of debris or damage. During this process, make sure the ignition is set to the IG mode. This means the ignition switch is turned on without starting the engine, to enable proper electrical flow for testing. Any abnormalities found at this stage can indicate issues in the electrical system that contribute to DTC P0035. Proceed by inspecting the ABV, actuator bypass valve, open wire, according to the specifics outlined in the troubleshooting manual. You will conduct a resistance measurement between the female terminals of the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve connector and the PCM connector while they are disconnected. The normal resistance reading should be less than 1 ohm, indicating a good connection. If the resistance is significantly higher, this indicates an open circuit or poor wiring that must be addressed. Additionally, assess the continuity throughout the circuit to ensure that there are no breaks. This comprehensive inspection will assist in identifying the specific fault causing DTC P0035. Once all necessary repairs have been executed, conduct a final verification. Start by clearing any DTC codes stored in the PCM to reset the system. Next, confirm that the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve is functioning correctly by reperforming the HDS tests and monitoring the OBD status. It is crucial to ensure that no new faults appear during this process. Successful operation indicates that the original issue has been resolved. Lastly, conduct a test drive under various conditions to ensure that the vehicle operates within its normal parameters without displaying the DTC P0035 again. This step confirms the reliability of the repairs and the correct functioning of the solenoid valve. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoid the recurrence of DTC P0035 and to keep the turbocharger system in optimal condition. Regular inspections of the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve, along with associated wiring, can detect potential issues before they escalate. It's also wise to clean electrical connectors to prevent corrosion, ensuring good electrical connectivity. Additionally, consistently monitor the vehicle's performance metrics can help catch irregularities early, allowing for timely diagnostics. By maintaining these practices, you can enhance the longevity of the vehicle's component systems and prevent costly repairs in the future. In summary, DTC P0035 pertains to issues within the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve circuit, significantly impacting engine performance. Understanding the role of each component, the solenoid valve and the PCM, along with the importance of a clear signal flow, is crucial for effective troubleshooting. The systematic approach outlined, from verifying the DTC through intricate inspections to effective repairs, ensures that any faults can be accurately addressed. Finally, implementing preventive maintenance practices can help to avoid future occurrences of this diagnostic trouble code. By staying proactive, vehicle owners and technicians can enhance reliability and performance in the Honda Accord 2023 Plus. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.